I'm here today to talk to you about how to be a manager. Now, management is about two things: effectiveness and efficiency. Effectiveness is about doing the right things, whereas efficiency is about doing the right things right. Let's look at effectiveness first. Doing the right things. That means, in practical terms, setting objectives for yourself and other people, getting people clear about what's wanted and what they need to do in order to be successful, and things like that. Efficiency, in other words, doing things well, is about organising the workflow. It's about decision making, of choosing to use which resources to get the best out of whatever you do. It's about problem solving when things do go wrong so that you can get it right first time, and things like that. Now, to be a successful manager, you need to be good at four things. There's actually knowing how business works and how you work around business. There's knowing about finance, accounting, numbers, using the numbers to get the work done. Something about yourself, knowing yourself so that you can actually get the best out of yourself. And knowing about the people that you work with so you can get the best out of them. Taking them one by one. Getting the best out of business. Good managers don't just understand their own businesses, but they take time to understand business in general. That probably means reading financial newspapers, business magazines, and keeping up to date with what's going on. They also understand money, numbers, and attempt to actually make themselves good at being on top of the financial aspects of what they do. If you're not really good at managing numbers and dealing with numbers, the best you can get is attach yourself to someone that really is good at that. Thirdly, a good manager understands their own strengths, weaknesses, foibles, and other things like that. So they're personally effective and can get the best out of their day. For example, they're good at things like time management and decision making. Finally, a good management really focuses on the people that they work with. What gets them out of bed, what gets them back into bed, and actually switching on the things that get them to work harder, and designing work so that it's got less of the things that hack people off. They also understand the sort of things that really make people work best together so that they can get the best out of a team. I'd urge you to pay attention to all four things: getting the business right, getting the money right, getting yourself right, and getting people right.